Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Ton on Tonkeeper. So the first step you need to do is to open your Tonkeeper wallet. Once you open, you simply need to click on buy and sell, and here you can see an option of buy Ton. So click here for example and open this, and you need to wait for few seconds here so that it will be open. But let's suppose if it is not opening, and here it open. Okay, so here is the amount that you pay and you get and your order. So let's suppose I not want this one, so I want to pay $5. So limit out of 13, so let me add 15. Okay, so in $15 I get 2.29 ton, and then you need to click on buy, and here you can see two options, Google Pay and credit or debit card. So I want to use credit or debit card. Add here, click on continue and add your email address and click on continue, and on the next page you need to add your card details and you need to complete your order. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you, have a good day.